In this video we will look at the top 5 best truck bed covers 2022 available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching testing and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality, features and values by narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 5. Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed. The product includes everything you need: easy to use, superior quality, fast and easy to install. The soft cover is made of tough, tear-resistant vinyl, and supported by a sturdy aluminum frame and crossbeams. Seals along the side and tailgate ensure whatever you are carrying will be completely protected from the elements. The Trifold design is easy to fold up and clip into place, and then easy to seal and latch when you need to use it again. Once set up, this cover will do its job of conveniently protecting your cargo and truck bed against exposure to harsh weather elements such as rain, snow, and dust. It's made from a tear-proof vinyl fabric exterior which can hold up to various weather conditions. Number 4. Truxedo Truxport Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Truxedo Truxport is surely one of the easiest top covers to install and to remove. It has a durable leather grain fabric which does an excellent job at keeping off elements from reaching your valuables in the truck bed. It features dual paddle latches which securely fasten the tail rail in a locked position when you close the cover for protection against theft attempts. The retractable design essentially turns your truck bed into an ordinary vehicle trunk. There is no chance of leakage, weather damage or dust. It can also be locked into any position, so that you can leave your bed partially covered to protect some sensitive gear. With a slim design, this tonneau cover is not too bulky and won't ruin the look of your pickup. Most passers-by won't even realize it's there. One downside to this cover is it does not seamlessly affix to some trucks along the tailgate, which may let some water in. Number 3. Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Chevy Silverado Tiger Auto rolled-up top covers provide you with a wide variety of benefits. Tiger roll-up tonneau covers are made of high-grade materials, providing a premium aftermarket product for your truck. Installing this cover is a breeze. It comes with a secure clamping system which you easily attach to your truck bed, and that's it. You're done setting it up and it's ready to protect your cargo against exposure to elements and theft. You don't need any special skills or equipment to install this cover in your truck. It comes with heavy-duty clamps which enables you to secure it to your truck bed. Clamps are fully adjustable, and they quickly release with one-hand operation, allowing you to remove the cover from your truck when you don't need it. This tonneau cover is also made of high quality. It has a durable leather grain textured vinyl which is stretch, tear, and shrink resistant. It can also hold up to the harshest weather elements. The reinforced corner construction takes the durability a notch higher. Number 2. Lund Genesis Trifold Soft Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This Lund Genesis tonneau cover is lightweight and easy to roll back, yet strong enough to protect all your cargo with a secure, waterproof seal. Lund International is a US-based leading manufacturer of tonneau covers which meet the needs of all truck owners. The tonneau easily rolls up, and thanks to a set of plastic buckles, it can be fastened that way if you need access to your truck's bed for a longer period of time or need to transport taller objects. A set of latch fasteners keep the cover fixed down when it's not rolled up. From box to truck in 5 minutes. Simply square up the cover to your bed, secure clamps, and hit the road. Lund offers a limited lifetime warranty on its tonneau covers, protecting against any defects in material or workmanship. Number 1. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. If you are looking for a truck bed cover at a low price as a high priority, the Tiger Auto T3 fits the bill. Because the Tiger Auto T3 is a trifold design, it's super easy to open and close. This is the perfect truck bed cover for truck owners looking for a reasonably priced trifold style cover. It fits trucks with a bed length of 5.7 feet, including the 2009-2019 Dodge Ram trucks. This cover comes with stainless steel clamps to hold the frame in place on the bed. Installation is easy and fairly quick, requiring no drilling. You will need to cut small holes to install it on a vehicle with an over-the-bed rail bedliner, but that is the maximum effort required. Sturdy buckles hold the cover in place when it is folded all the way back to the cab, so you can feel safe about driving with the cover folded back. A secure rear latch locks it into place when it is folded down. Tiger Auto offers a limited lifetime warranty on its tonneau covers and accepts returns if you ordered it for the wrong truck by accident. It also provides the best quality you can. So, if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.